So we're going to do another sequence of 3 drawings now. The first one, we're going to be just looking at the palm of the hand, and we're going to try and bring in the idea of change in line weight along with this idea of hand-eye coordination. So you'll just be looking at the palm, and there's a bunch of wrinkles in the palm of your hand, and those are what we'll be drawing. I'll zoom in on the paper in just a second. But when you're doing this, what I want you to do is be turned away from the table. I'm going to have to turn my back to you, sorry. You're going to turn away from the table and hang your hand over the back of the chair. That way you totally can't see what you're doing. So your paper should be taped down here, and you should be looking at the palm of your hand like this. All right, so you should be hanging your hand over the chair, but I've just got it up here so you can see it all. Well, on this first one, you're going to spend 10 minutes, and what you're doing is you're focusing on line weight changes, so pressure and the hand-eye coordination. You're just drawing the palm, and you've just got all these wrinkles in your palm, and you'll see like they get thinner and thicker. So it's thinner here, thicker in the middle, thinner there again. So I'll just, on this one, it's not one continuous line. It's a series of lines that go thinner, thicker, thinner. And then I'll just come over. I'm not looking at the paper, obviously. I'm going thinner, thicker, thinner. This one here is thin. This one's thick. And then it breaks up into these series of smaller lines. Now notice I'm not doing this kind of thing, this chicken scratchy thing. I'm taking each line as one line that I'm slowly looking at, and I'm paying attention to the line weight change. So thinner here, thicker, then thinner again. And you do that for 10 minutes. You shouldn't run out of lines. There's all kinds of little lines, but it's okay if you go back over a line as well. Okay, so 10 minutes of that.